Alright, Corey, here we have your 124 scale Ford utility, the Expedition, Ford utility Interceptor, Explorer, decaled as the Cabot Police Department out of Arkansas. Decals and everything, you saw a video I've done, had one on YouTube of a Charger, I think it was. Can't remember, I think it was a Charger, and you wanted one done in a utility, so here it is. Imagine that. This one, of course, all blue lighting on this, you know that. I have all blue lighting on it. A couple things I want to ask you, though. I noticed they have a picture of one of them on the Facebook page, on their Facebook page, and it has this the hubcap type wheels on there. If you want me to paint those aluminum, I can. I don't know if you want them done or not. I left the standard steel type wheels on there. They're still the same, the wheel. It's just that I would paint these silver or aluminum color. I can do that for you if you want me to. Also, there's no antennas on the car. I don't know if you want anything specific or not. I can send a couple of, let's see if I got a couple here in my little, no, I don't. But I had a couple already made up. A couple of small antennas that I can add in a little bag that I'll send you. And you can pop those on when you want. Once you get the car, they stick up too high, so they're going to hit the box top and get knocked off. Excuse me. So I'll just put them in a little baggie and send a couple with it. They're both, they're going to be about 2 inches long, but you can trim them down, just little clippers or something to cut them, little metal cutters or something. You can trim them down to a shorter length if you want. You wanted flashing headlights, grille lights on this one. You have an interior work light, blue strobe light bar, flashing tail lights, blue strobes in the reverse lights. And did we do blue strobes in the rear visor? I think we did. I can't even remember. Blue strobes in the rear visor, I believe. It's pretty bad that I can't even remember that, but pretty sure that's what happened. Also have a 4-tone siren. Now this one's built a little bit different than the Charger. The other thing was this push bumper. I'm going to add it, leave it on there. If you want to take it off, I said took the little pieces off the back side. You can take it off if you want. But anyway, if you want to add it back on there, if you want to add a little bit of glue to the tip so that you can, it'll stay in place a little bit better. But it won't it's not going to just fall off by no means. On the bottom here, you'll see the power switch right here in the center. And then on each side, this one over here on the passenger side for the siren. This over here I added for you to change the patterns of the blue strobes. So you can get a couple different, or 3 different patterns out of that. This, like I said, this one on the passenger side for the siren. Let's go ahead and turn this on. When you first turn it on, all the blue strobes, so your rear visor, light bar, reverse lights, and everything, they have a specific or 3 different patterns to it, and they'll just alternate through those patterns. We have triple strobe wig wag, there, a faster triple strobe, and then a simultaneous flash. Like I said, my camera doesn't pick them up very well. You can see it a lot better in person, but all of the lights follow the same patterns. And if you can tell on here, if they'll pick up the flashes fast enough, that when the right side reverse light strobes, the left side visor light strobes. So I have those kind of, like this light will come on, this one will come on, this side of the light bar comes on, and then this driver's side of the grille strobes will illuminate. I did that so it kind of breaks up the flash patterns a little bit, so like everything on the right doesn't flash and then everything on the left. So that's kind of why I set those up that way. Now if you want to, you can see the interior lights. Go ahead and get that before I forget. Interior lights, your MDT in there. I did some decals on the dash and some little painting and stuff in there to add realism to the dash and the radio console and stuff. So back to this. If you press it, the first time you press it, this button here for the patterns, it's going to give you just a faster wig-wag pattern of a triple strobe. Like I said, each time you see that blue illuminate, it's actually flashing 3 times. And again, your light bar is doing the same thing. Press it again, you're going to get your simultaneous flash. Again, all of them are doing the same pattern, or the same, same pattern. Press it again, you're going to get a slower wig-wag pattern. Again, I know sometimes this makes it look like a white LED, but they are blue. See if the light helps. Helps it a little bit. You can see them a little bit better. And you press this again, the 4th press will turn them completely off. So then all you have left is your interior lights and then your headlights, tail lights. If you want to do it, I mean, you don't have to. of course, press it again, it'd be like you just first turn it back on. So then you get all of your different patterns cycling through there. Again, the button on the passenger side is your siren. You turn it on the first time to give like different tones, like a pursuit. Run through those real quick. And each time you press it after that, it'll just lock in a certain wail or the yelp or however, phase or tone. You get your wail. The last press turns it completely off. Again, just press it again and it'll start through the same patterns again. So there you have it. Again, let me know once you see the video. Let me know if you want these wheels painted aluminum. And then, like I said, I'll add some antennas in a little package, and you can pop those on there when you get it. So there you have it, man. It turned out pretty good. I was actually surprised. I didn't know how well the reverse lights were going to work out in there, but actually it turned out pretty good, considering it's such a small area. I just hadn't ever done them on one of the 24 scale Explorers, so I didn't really know how that was going to work out in there. So there you have it. Corey, I appreciate it. Get it boxed up. I'll have it ready to ship. So I'll send you the video here in just a little bit. Thank you very much.